Hello, I found a great answer on Stack Overflow. Here it is. It's benchmark. This function was made by Mikhail Smirnov, aka Kishkin. He's on Stack Overflow, and he's found the way to calculate, to benchmark, test the speed of any function in your Google Sheets with the help of named function called benchmark. If you see how it works, it may blow your mind just as it blown mine, because you see this func with these brackets, with these parents, and this is named parameter. So this is parameter func, and it runs this function. It actually runs it to test the speed. So here is my benchmark file, and let's test few functions just now together. First of all, I want to test sequence. What is the cost of sequence function? And let's compare it to different. I want also to test more. And how to use it? Benchmark of, I need to convert it into lambda because it is required, because we pass this as function, so it need be a lambda. And now sequence tab of these many items. So you see sequence, and I also want to make this shorter because it's the number of seconds, so I'll just make it shorter. Oh, not this format. I want number format like this, so you will have an idea. And if I copy this down, I will see which number of seconds for sequence is for different number of items. You see, when it's million of items, it's like 1 second. When it comes to 10 millions of items, it becomes very, very slow. Next, I want to test, of course, my favorite VLOOKUP, because that's really not easy to do. Okay, Control B to make this bold. I also want to make the same format to the right. I'll copy this format to the right. And I'll test VLOOKUP, and I'll also test XLOOKUP and other functions, and match, and return to you after I pause the video. Okay, finally I can return with the result, and as you see, I've changed my mind. I decided not to do with 10 millions, I did with 2 million, because 10 millions just crashed my spreadsheet. Because my computer is not so fast. Maybe in your environment it will work even more with more rows. You may try to. Okay, see the result, please. Okay, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP and match. Of course, you should subtract the sequence cost out of these results, but in general, you can see that XLOOKUP is not that fast as VLOOKUP and is not that fast as match. This new function in Google Sheets, according to my current tests, this information is new for me too. I didn't know that, but appears XLOOKUP in my condition is not that fast. And of course, you can also test it in your environment. Just make a copy of my spreadsheet with benchmark. And also, I'm waiting for your insights, your ideas on how to use it, which formulas to test, and see you in comments and in my next videos. Thank you.